What's happening, guys? ATM Sportscards back again. This is box 2 from our 2-box break of 09 SB Authentic Football. Again, participants in this one are Drunk Trojans, Sparks, Bowler, Script, Steeler Fan, Football Coach, The Bump 56, Russian Crush, and Brady Girl. Brady Girl just did a nice dual autograph with Mark Sanchez and Sean Green, number to 50. Let's see if we can't top this in box 2. $24 packs. Good luck. Well, pack 1 is going to have the patch auto in it, guys. Pack 1 has the patch auto. Ooh, this is sick. NFC East, the Bump 56. I know somebody who's really going to like this in the room. Number 9 of 999 with Sean McCoy. Boom. 4 color. Not bad. Next we got our base. Fly through the base packs again, guys. More base. Looks like the Caps game is going to overtime. 1 minute left. More base. Got a Y.A. Tittle insert, short print. Base. Let's get another big auto here. Base. Come on, Elfer Deck, roll hits. Got a rookie of Glover Quinn for the AFC South. Steeler Fan. More base. Got a rookie of Antoine Caldwell for the AFC South. Steeler Fan. More base. We've got an autograph here. Authentic autographs of Greg Camarillo. I guess he's a rookie for the Dolphins. So AFC East, I'll go to Brady Girl. Brady Girl cleaning it up. Be one more autograph in here. Got a Cowboys insert here of D.D. Lewis. More base. There's a Brett Favre base in there. Vikings. More base. We got a Vaughn Martin rookie for the AFC West Bowler Script, number to 999. More base. Got another America's Team insert of Martellus Bennett, Cowboys. And base. We've got our last autograph here for the NFC West. Now get a Russian Crush of Chris Abajamaya, Rams, number to 999. Couple packs left, maybe we'll get an extra hit. Base. Base. Last pack. And a Steelers insert. And base. Alright guys, that'll do it. LaShawn McCoy in this one. Sanchez in the first. Thanks again.